I am super stoked up to show this to you. If this don't convince you, nothing will. Hi, my name is Ruben and I am the owner of Floors by Southern Boys. I have a small YouTube channel making how-to videos explaining all kinds of ways to do many types of flooring, almost any kind of flooring that you can imagine. I will do videos on it, showing you, teaching you step by step the processes that are needed to be taken in order to get your job done with professional results. So if that kind of stuff interests you, plus there's tons and tons of quick tips, all kinds of things to speed your process up. And if you would have a certain question or request a certain video on a certain type of flooring, feel free to leave it in the link or in the description below, and I will definitely get one specifically tailored to you. And if this type of stuff interests you, feel free to hit that subscribe button. So what we've got going on here is a trim piece. I've actually tore laminate out of this bathroom, which is a pretty ridiculous situation anyway, laminate in the bathroom, because it does not deal with water at all. So we're getting ready to sell, so I took that out and I'm going to put a vinyl plank down in here. Anyway, I installed this carpet whenever we moved in. I've got a towel here to kind of protect it a little bit because we're going to keep it down. It's a really good carpet, so I want to keep it down here for the new owners. Anyway, I am replacing the old laminate here. So when I installed this carpet, as always, I latexed my gully right here. So I'm going to pull up this transition piece that I worked to and show you. It's phenomenal the way that latex holds up. Okay, I've already done it in my kitchen doorway and my other bathroom. Now I'm going to do it here and let you see just how good it works. It'll blow your mind. So what I got here is the transition strip that I've actually took up, and on laminate a lot of it will stay in the track because the top layer will just break off. So that's what you see there is the leftover MDF. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the track and pull the rest of that out, and you'll see the amazing latex. Okay, so just take the pry bar here. You can see that whoever done it actually glued it down with liquid nail, and they nailed it with finish nails, which is a bad idea to nail it down with finish nails, but whatever. Anyway, Lowe's did this job about 7 years ago, I think. That's what the owner told me when we bought it a couple of years ago. He said that it was been down for 2 years or 5 years, and we've been here 2 years. So you can already see that. Look at this. See, that's the latex right there pulling. See all that? Now this is what's going to blow your mind. So I heard a guy say last night on one of his videos teaching people how to make prosperous YouTube videos, and he said YouTube will promote your video if you can get 50% of your audience to watch the entire video. Also, the big thumbs up helps, and also the amount of comments. So you guys hook it up, okay? And I'm going to keep these awesome videos coming to you as often as I can. There's absolutely nothing here now. It's strictly where I had that carpet trimmed. You can see this is the edge of the laminate that I worked to, and it's a Lowe's product, so it's like 3-in-1. It's one of them deals. Anyway, this is the edge I worked to, and now there's nothing here whatsoever. Now watch this. This is going to trip you out, okay? Remember, there's nothing here, and look at that. I can't even pull that up with my fingers. Watch this. Look at, can you hear that? Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to get you up close on that. That's awesome. So check this out. Look at that underneath there. What's this? Look at it stretching all underneath there. That's latex. Look at that, son. this into there. Look at that stuff. See that right there? That's latex. Nothing else holding this carpet down but the latex. Look at that, son. Okay, watch this. Look at it. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at that? Look, that is insane. There's nothing here holding it, just strictly the latex. And look at that. It's about to pull a tack strip up. Whew, mercy. Ugh. Okay. So look at the latex on the back of the carpet. That's what it looks like after you tuck it. All this yellow is the latex where I tucked it in the gully. All of it along the edge of this. And I guarantee you, this tack strip is going to be rough to get up too. Let's check it out. Okay. Stretching up right there. Look at that. Okay. Look at this. This stuff is amazing. Look at it. It's holding the tack strip down probably better than the nails. Look at that. Okay, look at all that on the edge there. So can you see all that latex on the edge of this piece of tack strip? That was nothing out of the ordinary. That's just how I always do it. I just did a regular bead down there like I always do. And that's how awesome that stuff holds. Didn't I tell you that would make a believer out of you? If you don't think latex is worth using after seeing that demonstration right there, I don't want to do that, but I'll do that. How about that? Okay. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button down there. And I got a question for you. What is your most favorite type of flooring that you ever installed or that you currently install? Leave a link down below. I'm trying to get some information together for some future videos. So what flooring is your favorite to install? Thanks for watching. FBSB is out.